step into the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power windows, driver adjustable lumbar, power mirror, adjustable steering wheel, power door locks, power steering, and passenger airbag sensor. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.